You get to the big tower over there. Just, and then you go here. So we walk down. Naki. Na ye tour guide. Na ye tour guide. There's 2 holes over here. The tradition is you take sticks and you throw them inside. For the spirits and
ancestors to use in the evening to light firewood.
You throw the sticks in there into the hole. That's the tradition.
So that they used to light fire in the evening.
Yeah.
Kindly it is from Lake Victoria. This shimo inaenda mpaka Lake Victoria. In fact, our believe that this is a breathing hole. Yeah, Lake Victoria.
Oh. Aki, imagine it's not marked at all.
What?
County government yetu ndio hiyo mliweka. Imagine. It's already registered.
It's already registered under UNESCO Cultural Heritage Sites.
It's an heritage site, but now it's for the county governments too.
That they should mark it. There's no marking, there's no nothing here.
Look at that cave.
Maninja. Hey, Matagoro, Boliwa, Matagoro. Hey, Tengere Nyangoes, Din.
This is the traditional Kisii cultural site. Yeah.
Come to a nice clearing. This is an old school game. It was here built by our Kisii ancestors, and the holes are still visible. You can see that. And then you play a game while watching this beautiful view. Just look at that. Just look at that. So this game, the holes over there, they're all linked, same time period. And you come out on the road. It's been a good day. Panaitwa Manga Hills, engoro ya huna, engoro ya mwaga.